I know you know the bacon's there, but you gotta wait till we eat.
And we'll see. We started it last night.
Got a bolt in the tire. And Robert's gonna use his ARB kit.
Yeah, thread repair cord. It's got 29 pounds of pressure in it. Once you take that out, it'll start airing down, or you're not gonna fall or anything off the rock.
Can I see it real quick?
You sure that's not factory?
Sure.
That's how you air down. What is this, by the way?
ARB kit. This is the reason why I love this one more than anything is this tool right here.
Yep.
That most of them just have the plug, and you stick the plug in there. This one allows you to keep it in place and pull at the same time.
Nice.
So go ahead and remove it. Let's see if this is a big enough plug.
Sorry. Brody.
Yeah, that is a big one.
All right, so he's reaming it out. Got a little bit of lube on it. And plug's going in.
Leave a little bit of it out.
What happened to it, Dada?
You know what? A bolt got stuck in there.
You can put two of them in next to it because that's an awful big hole. Let's see if I can get a second one in
So
there.
he's putting in number 2. He's getting it in. Nice. This is why he's been lifting weights.
The wax is slippery.
Are they gonna use your spell?
There we go.
Try this for a little while.
We got two of them in there, so
Nice.
see what happens.
That's what was in there.
Everybody make that left turn. Pretty close. We're all pretty close. I just went 4 low. We're going kind of slow anyway. I don't know about you guys, but man, these canyons and climbing up and doing this, I get excited about this. It's fun. Yeah, it's awesome. Just enjoy the everything. Never would have thought you'd see water in the middle of the desert going down the middle of the trail, right?
I was thinking this is like the Death Valley Rapids here.
Yeah, for sure. Look at the white unicorn. There's a unicorn. Funny, his ear was flopped forward. He, no kidding, looked like a unicorn for a second. Said the horn was on the bottom. Yeah, I saw that. I think right here, Greg, is the entrance to it. So.
little bit more to the right in case you hit on the left so slightly. And if he controls the drop, he'll be fine. Yeah. Success, I told you. You're a rock star, you're a rock star.
Hold on, I hear you drop. A little bit more. There you go, good job. Keep going, you're going to start to drop right now. There you go, perfect.
See, I think it's a Wrangler thing, Greg.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried.
No, but I'm kind of glad that we're staying where we're at because it's 100 here right now. Yeah, I was hoping we could get kind of close to try to maybe check it out.
On your own? Yeah. Hi, buddy.
I was like, I knew you were like messing with me laughing.
Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, we would appreciate if you could click the like button and subscribe to our channel. As always, make the most of the dash.